Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without eggs and butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, line a baking sheet, and gather all ingredients. Combine wet substitutes, sugar, and oil first for smooth consistency, then add dry ingredients and chocolate chips. Chill dough briefly to prevent spreading, scoop uniform portions, and bake until edges are golden. Let cookies cool on a rack for best texture before serving. Start by weighing your flour to avoid dense cookies and premeasuring sugar to balance sweetness. Whisk sugar and oil with your chosen egg substitute until smooth, then stir in vanilla and salt. Fold in flour and baking powder carefully to avoid overmixing, then add chocolate chips. For chewier cookies, chill dough 30 to 60 minutes. For crisper cookies, bake a bit longer at the same temp. Test one batch first for timing. If you are enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker fills your kitchen with music while cookies bake, and it can set timers hands-free, which is perfect when your oven is busy. I find it keeps the vibe fun and multitasking simple. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to make uniform cookies that bake evenly and predictably. Rotate the baking sheet halfway through baking for consistent color and doneness across batches. If cookies spread too much, add 1 to 2 tablespoons more flour or chill dough longer. For extra chew, brown the sugar slightly before mixing. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container with a slice of bread to keep them soft overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.